2 p.m. Tuesday. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Streams continue to rise due to excess runoff from earlier rainfall. Additional details: at 7:14 a.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Jefferson, West Jefferson, Glendale Springs, Laurel Springs, Todd, Othello, and Wagoner. On the south fork of the New River at Brownwood, the stage was 12.2 feet and slowly rising. At Jefferson, the stage was 7.3 feet and was cresting. The river will crest and begin falling by late morning.